Hello children. Today let's learn how to comprehend a passage from the lesson A Tale of Three Villages from Unit 6 Part B. Here are some instructions to be followed in order to make a comprehension effectively. Do go through them before you attempt the comprehension. On to the passage here. We see Mr. Nana describing or narrating about the day the metal drums were dumped in their surrounding area, wherein the people who brought those drums in big lorries gave the chief a brown paper bag, and as soon as the chief received that bag, he was smiling. And Mr. Nana is sure that they had bribed the chief in order to dump all those drums which contained the poisonous chemicals over there. And as it contained poisonous chemicals, it contaminated the drinking water source, and it was a cause of severe pain and fatal diseases to the people over there. On to the multiple choice questions. I saw him smiling as the lorries drove away. I refers to. Who is this I who is telling this sentence? Is it Thomas Agnew, Mr. Sunday, Mr. Wednesday, or the chief of the village? Yes, it is Mr. Sunday. On to the next question. Which of the following statement is not true in accordance with the passage? So, be careful while reading the question. Which is not true or not in accordance with the passage? The drums had symbol of skull and crossbones. Is it true? Yes, it is true. The drums were badly corroded. Is it true? Yes, it is true. They were about to explode even. The drums had come from Nigeria. Is it true? No, it's not true. The drums had come from Italy. The drums contain poisonous chemicals. Yes, it's true. So only one thing which is not true, which is not in accordance with the passage, is the drums had come from Nigeria. On to the next question. Pyramid of identical drums reaching the sky. The underlined phrase means reaching to the sky. Is it reaching to the stars, very short, very large, or piled up to great height? Yes, the right answer is piled up to great height. On to the question and answers. In what way was Thomas Agnew's education useful? Thomas Agnew's education was useful to the villagers in making them aware that the drums contained poisonous chemicals which were contaminating the drinking water sources and was causing fatal diseases. On to the next question. The chief of the village was given a brown cover. Why was it given to him? Explain. The brown color cover containing money was given to the chief to bribe him to allow them to dump the drums containing poisonous chemicals over there. So as the chief smiled as soon as he received the cover, it gives us a proof, it gives a certain idea that he has been profited, and generally people are profited with the bribe, and actually they were not supposed to dump those drums over there. As the chief accepted to allow them to dump the drums over there, and they were searching for a place wherein they can get rid of those drums containing poisonous chemicals. So the chief was the person who was responsible for the entire contamination of that place, as well as the people who had dumped the drums over there. Hope you all understood how to comprehend. Do not forget to comment in the comment box below. Thank you children. Thank you and have a wonderful day.